We're on your side tonight with how President Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill may affect East Tennesseans.
Yeah, one provision in the spending bill would cut funding for Planned Parenthood. The move is spurring a legal battle.
I found out how this could impact Knoxville's Planned Parenthood clinic and how advocates in East Tennessee are reacting. President Trump's Big Beautiful Bill denies Planned Parenthood Medicaid funding for 1 year for non-abortion health services. Knoxville's Planned Parenthood reopened last November, nearly 3 years after it was intentionally burned down. Advocates say the funding cuts could put women in East Tennessee at risk of losing essential services once again.
We risk worse outcomes for mothers, worse outcomes for children, worse outcomes for people like college students that just maybe they need to get tested, or they need some services that they're not able to get otherwise.
Though Tennessee state laws prevent Planned Parenthood from performing abortions at the Knoxville clinic, pro-life advocates in Knoxville are celebrating the bill.
We hope really that without taxpayer dollars that Planned Parenthood will now have to survive on their own, and we hope that it will give young ladies who are in a bad situation to begin with an opportunity to think about and look for alternatives.
In a statement, the CEO of Planned Parenthood of Tennessee and North Mississippi says, quote, "This bill makes cuts to reproductive care nationwide so drastic that providers in safe states could be forced to close their doors. Access to abortion could shrink down to a level unseen since the mid-century, when safe abortion was only available to an elite few." End quote. In Knoxville, Planned Parenthood provides services like STI testing and cancer screenings.
There are a lot of great healthcare providers, our state and local health departments that can do that, and that's where we hope that women will go. We're just relieved for the day when taxpayer dollars no longer have to pay for Planned Parenthood, which is an institution that exploits women and kills children.
Planned Parenthood is often serving people that do not have as many other options. We don't have a wealth of OBGYN offices around. We don't have a wealth of people providing these services. Planned Parenthood fills a need. That's why it exists. And the care it provides is critical.
Planned Parenthood sued the Trump administration over the bill, and a judge has granted a temporary restraining order which pauses the provision from going into effect. It will remain in place for 14 days, and a hearing has been set for July 21st.